Hello guys, I just received a package from Jumia. Wow guys, and I bought an artificial plant guys, and this is what I got. the I don't know, it's the stem and the leaves, and here we have the pebbles guys. They look beautiful here. So this video I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to fix this to become a real flower, no, a real plant. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix this and all this and this. So here, as you can see, this stem, it has metallic thing. So I think, and the leaf has this, I don't know if you can see well. Yes, there's this thing, the leaf, and there's this thing, the stem. So what to do is just